Hello dear students, today we will start our chapter 4 quadratic equation. Chapter 4 quadratic equations. Recall second chapter. In polynomial we have studied about linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, etc. From linear polynomial comes linear equation and from quadratic polynomial comes quadratic equation. So first of all we will study quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. एक ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल जिसकी डिग्री 2 होती है उसको हम क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल बोलते हैं. लेट p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then it is a quadratic polynomial. ये क्या होगा? एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी डिग्री कितनी है? 2. वेयर a कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. a 0 के इक्वल नहीं होगा. अगर a 0 होगा तो ये पूरी टर्म वानिश हो जाएगी. एंड a, b, c are real numbers and these coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant term means a, b, c are real numbers. This is about quadratic polynomial. Now come to quadratic equation. If p of x is a quadratic polynomial, recall this, p of x is a quadratic polynomial, then p of x is equal to 0. अगर हम इस पोलिनोमियल को इक्वल टू 0 पुट करते हैं then it is known as a quadratic equation. अब ये quadratic equation होगी because equation means to equate by using sign of equality. अगर हम किसी भी पोलिनोमियल को इक्वल टू के साइन के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं तो वो हमारी इक्वेशन होती है. Now here ax square plus bx plus c means p of x is a quadratic polynomial, and if we compare it with 0 then it will be a quadratic equation and is known as a quadratic equation where a not equal to 0, a 0 के इक्वल नहीं होगा. What is a is the coefficient of x square and a, b and c are real numbers. जहाँ पे ये a, b और c क्या होते हैं? रियल नंबर्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then it is a quadratic equation. ये क्या है? Quadratic equation है. And in this 2 is the coefficient of x square, minus 7 is the coefficient of x, where 5 is a constant term. Now zeros or roots or solution of a quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c be a quadratic polynomial. Suppose it is a quadratic polynomial and if we are replacing x by alpha, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c and we are getting 0. अगर इस polynomial में alpha पुट करने पे हमें 0 मिलता है then alpha is called a 0 of the quadratic polynomial. Then this alpha will be 0 of quadratic polynomial. Which quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. If alpha is a 0 of, now if alpha is a 0 of zeros of ax square plus bx plus c and if a alpha square on putting alpha in place of x means a alpha square plus b alpha plus c we are getting 0, then x is equal to alpha is the solution. means अगर इस given polynomial में x की जगह अल्फा पुट करने पे हमें 0 मिलता है तो x is equal to alpha, x is equal to alpha क्या होगा? solution होगा, इसका रूट होगा या इसका zeros होगा. For example, let x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Suppose ये हमें quadratic equation given है और x की वैल्यू गिवन है 1. यहाँ हमने अल्फा को किससे रिप्लेस कर दिया? 1 से. और ये हमें गिवन है. देन ऑन पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 1 प्लस 3 1 माइनस 4 प्लस 3 3 प्लस 1 3 प्लस 1 4 4 माइनस 1 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. means left hand side is equal to right hand side, so x is equal to 1 means on getting the value of x is equal to 1 we are getting 0, so x is equal to 1 is a 0 solution or root of the given equation.